Yeah. This one for the streets, for the brave, for the truth tellers. I'm in Viddish on the pen.
Hey, 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 ha! Say her name, Renee. Say it loud, Renee. She stood up for the people. No fear, we ready. Same blood, same soul, equal on the floor. No hate, no lies, humanity first. That's the code. Minneapolis lights, cold night, hot truth. She stood for the people, yeah, she stood for the youth. No weapon in her hand, no hate in her soul. Just love for humanity, mind and control. She said, no more silence, no more abuse. No uniform excuse to misuse the truth. They try to shut her voice, try to kill the good. But legends rise strong, Renee Nicole Good. Fear got packed your soul like law, but justice hit harder, shook the floor off. She didn't run, she didn't hide. She stood with courage, looked fear in the eye. Money in the shadows paid to spread fear. Propaganda loud, make neighbors unclear. Finger pointing heavy, playing dirty cards. Targeting Somalis, pushing false remarks. Far right, walking in our stores with a can. Talking disrespect, trying hard to harass the man. But we stay solid, we don't break a bend. Turn hate into fuel every time they offend. Truth don't shake when the beats stay clean. Lies fall apart when the people convene. They try to divide us by color and name, but unity's stronger than their whole campaign. Say her name, Renee. Let it rise, let it stay. For the people, for the peace, we won't turn our hearts away. Same blood, same soul, standing side by side. No hate, no fear, we walk together, unified. Somalis brave, yet creative and wise. We build from the ashes, we dream in big size. From art to business, from rhythm to code, we turn every struggle into gold mode. They tried to paint us with a negative tone, but we flipped that script, greatness shown. From the horn to the block, Brazilian strong. Every step we take, turn pain into song. I write this with purpose, not chasing the fame. Truth in my chest, fire in my name. Kids watching closely, learning the sound. What we speak today shapes tomorrow's ground. Same dreams, same sky above. This ain't just music, it's justice, it's unity, it's love. Credit, I'm a Viddish Somali #1 music, mate.